Hey you guys, welcome back to Crazy Quilting Crafts with SEK. I told y'all SEK be blocking. Ow, I be blocking. Ow. Alright you guys, this is another one of my projects that I had started some time back, and it was just my quilt top. And you guys, I finally got it complete. And this is a batik for a baby crib, and this is the all right you guys, hold on, let me get some oxygen to my brains. This is the 4-patch. All right, very easy method. It's 4 squares, slice and dice, split them vertically, horizontally, and you have the 4-patch. So I will get to the tutorial on that as well. And in this project, you guys, I actually use layer cakes. Now, I'm not sure what brand it was, but I'm thinking it was possibly, I might be correct on that. I'm thinking it was Mellow Yellow Island Batik. Now, in the batik world, you will definitely fall in love with batiks. I love batiks. You will definitely fall in love with them. They are so pretty. And you guys, this was a quick project. It is also an easy project. It won't take long. You will be able to grasp this technique really fast. Again, this is a crib size. I'm thinking if I would have continued on with maybe 2 layer cake packages, I would have been able to get it to a twin size. But when you're dealing with making different blocks, a lot of times you will lose some of your fabric from the slicing and dicing. So just wanted to bring you guys up close so you guys can take a look at what it is looking like right now. And let's see, 4, 8, 16, 24 layer cakes was used, and the crib size. And when it comes to the pillows, I used 8. And you guys, y'all see that little pillow at the bottom? Let me tell y'all about this little guy right here. I do not remember how I made this. This was one of my beginner stars when I first started learning, kind of like the 8-point star. It almost looked like a, what is the name of this block? I know Queen Mother Eleanor will know the name of it. Is it a hood tooth block? I'm not even sure. But I know I did this while I was learning the 8-point star. So I don't know how I got it done. I really don't. I have to figure out the twists and turns that I did in order to get, let's see, these corners in here. I don't know how I did that. And I'm sure whatever I did, it probably was not the right way, but that's the way it came out. Don't laugh at me, y'all. Do not laugh at me and do not judge me. So this is what the 2 pillow tops is looking like. And I'm going to show you guys. Ooh, my thing fell. I'm going to show you the backing real quick. So this is the backing. And this is not a batik fabric, but I felt like this really went really well with the different shades of the yellow. So I used this on all 3 pillows, the big pillows as well. And I just thought it was a nice shade and it just went well. And again, it's not a batik, but to me, it still went pretty good. And I was happy with it. So sometimes, you know, in the quilt world, you might not find the exact backing that is required for whatever fabric you're using, but you can always improvise and match up another fabric. And sometimes I tend to do that. Like if I order fabrics online and I get them and I don't have the backing that's supposed to, quote unquote, supposed to go with that project, I will take my project right to Hobby Lobby or to Joann's and scan them aisles and find a fabric that will complement the top of whatever quilt top I am doing. So don't ever be afraid of that. And another trick that I'm seeing a lot in the quilt world, where there are seasoned quilters that will tell you sometimes you can use a sheet for your backing. Y'all heard me correct. A sheet, a bedding sheet. People literally go in the stores buying sheets for backing. I'm telling y'all that right now. And you can save a lot of money. All right? So that's a little food for thought right there. All right, family. So this is SEK. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys thumbs up, like, subscribe, and do share. And SEK, we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. I be blocking. Ow, I be blocking.